recently got the opportunity to replace some Deadbolts and KIK cylinders. Let's take a look at some new ones and see what part of the enshittification we're in right now. This should be discouraging. Okay. Steel anti-drill pin in 1, standard driver in 2, standard driver in 3, spool in 4, and a standard driver in 5. All of our springs are standard. So this is what we're working with on a new Brinks deadbolt. The key bitting on this is pretty good. You have low pins protected by high pins. There's just one problem. You see, this spool is over a long key pin, which effectively makes it worthless. Let me explain. When you're picking a lock, you're effectively manipulating the bottom pin in a pin stack until the top of that pin is here at the shear line, and the bottom of the driver pin is at the shear line, allowing the core to turn. When you put a spool over a long ass key pin, you are effectively making that worthless. Here, watch. Now, when we put the key pins back in the core, we can see how intelligently or unintelligently this lock was pinned by placing the driver pins back on top. You see, this spool right here effectively does nothing because it is already pretty much set. All you have to do is barely nudge this son bitch up and then you're gonna get a turn. It would be so much better if they put that over a shorter key pin. You see? So now we still have potentially 1, 2, maybe 3 clicks before it's set. Trash. Alright.